So over here you can see that I have a workspace opened up on this window, and I've already sent an invitation to my other account. And over here there is my other account, as you can see. So now over here you can see that in my other account, join workspace is an email that I received. So I can go around and click on join workspace. Once I do that, it says welcome to workspace, and it opens up that particular page, as you can see right here. And it says 1 moment while we connect you to the workspace. So you need to wait a while for this. And now you can see that you have access to Workspace over here on the other account as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and keep this side by side around over here. So I'm going to go around over here and then keep this around over here as well. So I'm going to go around and keep these windows side by side. So now over here you can see that you got the Workspace over here and you got one over here as well. So if I were to go around and create a new tab over here, then you can see that there's a new tab over here as well. So same tab. So if I were to go around, let's say for example to wikipedia.org right here, then it opens up the same page over here. Go around onto Commons, and then it opens up the same page right here. So if I were to go around and let's say for example click on Wiktionary right here, just like this, then over here on the left hand side you can see that the same page opens up. So whatever tabs you open right here, simply opens that up right here. Let's say for example type in google.com and it opens google.com right here, just like this. Go around onto wiki right here again, then it opens up wiki over there as well. Go to Wiki News right here, then it opens up Wiki News right here. So now whatever page that you open up right here gets opened up over there as well. And if I were to close it right here, then it closes up on the other side as well. And this is how you can collaborate with web surfing, where you can have tabs opened up right here and the same web pages will be opened up on both the end, unless you actually log in onto some page where you don't actually share your login data. And this is how you can go around and utilize the collaboration mode inside of workspaces inside of Microsoft Edge. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.